bloopers, not ready yet. I will get down here. We will hunker down. Yes. Hi everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So today, what are we doing?
Chicken and stovetop.
Yeah, chicken and stovetop. Good home style cooking. So you saw all the prep work, saw what went into it. Now you get to see it plated up and see the taste test.
Yep.
And we'll see how this comes out. Really simple recipe. So you can see this chicken came out really well. It's got really good color on it. On both pieces, both sides. So you want the little nugget? She's like, look, I made a little nugget for her. Yes. So I will take that piece right there. I'm sure there's opinions.
And we're going for the chicken because you guys should know what green beans and stuffing taste like.
Yeah, I didn't really, I mean, this is the herb, just the standard herb. And I didn't add anything to it, but the chicken I did salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic and some Italian seasoning. Mm-hmm. Just a hint of the garlic.
Very good. Especially with the little drizzle of the gravies.
Yeah. Again, it's a really good home style, you know, comfort food. Good little comfort food. Inexpensive. We just needed to use the last...
Quick little pick-me-up
Yeah.
if you're looking for that Thanksgiving craving, but don't want to cook a whole turkey.
Yeah.
Get a couple of chicken breasts. Works out in your favor. Okay,
Yeah,
I'm
exactly.
gonna pull a knife and actually cut my chicken into bite-sized pieces.
Well, since she's not cutting it with the grain, against the grain, that's why she's struggling. But anyway,
Have knives.
Anyway, so we're gonna let you go because I want to eat it while it's still hot. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, click the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.